Hello friends, welcome back to Python projects series. In this video, we are going to develop a guess the number game project. Okay, so which means when you run this program, it will ask you to guess the number. So if you correctly guess the number, you will get the message saying that you guess the number correctly. If not, it will say that it's incorrect guess. So how can we do it? It will be a very fun project, guys. Okay, how can we do it? So this can be done using a random library in Python. Okay. So other than this random library, we will be using loops and conditions concepts in this project. So let's get started. So first import the random library. Okay. And now let's generate a random number. Okay. Some number. So how do we generate a random number in Python? So this random dot rand int, okay, and this rand int will take two parameters as input, that range basically. Okay, so if you give like 1 to 10, it will generate a random number between 1 to 10. Okay, so now after this line, this Python program has a random number with with this, and now user has to guess that number. Okay, we don't know which number it is in the number. Okay, so now user has to guess the number. Okay, so let's do that, and we will ask the user to give the input, like user input this time. Yeah, input. We'll say guess the number. Okay, and now if the user value, I mean whatever the user guess the value, right? If that value is equal to number is equal to our number that we generated is equal, then we can say that print great, right? Great, you guessed it correctly. Okay, number, right. Okay, else if it is not, okay, if it is not, then what we can do is we can say sorry, incorrect. Okay, see, that's it. It's a pretty simple program, but it will be very fun when you play this guess the number game with your friends. Okay, so run this program. For running this Python, guess the number. See, it is asking for the number. I don't know which number it has there with this one, but let's say 4. Oh, sorry, it's incorrect guess. But let's run again. This time I will go with 6. Incorrect guess. Okay, it's giving us only one chance. If you want to give like three chances to the three chances to your friend, then what we can do is we can keep this entire thing in the for loop. Okay, a for loop for running 3 times. Okay, so that means for I in range, okay, I will say like 1 to 4. That's it pretty much. Okay, now let's run this program. So now it is asking for the guess. I will say 2. It's not. I will go with 5 this time. It is taking a little time, my system. Okay, so it is incorrect guess again. I will go with 8. So I could not guess the number in 3 chances. Okay, so we might want to know the what is that number, right? Okay, let's print that out at the end. Okay, but anyhow, before that, okay, we are writing a for loop here, right, for 3 times. So if the user guess the number correctly, let's break it, okay, immediately, because there is no point in rerunning this for loop. Okay, so let's do that. And here in the end, I will print that number. Correct number is, let's print that number. Okay, now rerun this one. So I will go with 1 this time. Sorry, 3, 5. Okay, the correct number is 10. Okay, but I was guessing 1, 3, 5. Okay, so let's give you one more chance. This time I will go with 7. 6, 3. Oh, I was very close actually. So the correct number is 2, but I was guessing 763. That's pretty much for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. You also try to write this program on your own, and if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will meet you in the next video with another interesting Python project. Till then, take care.